Hi, this is Rick, and in this video, I will explain how you can quickly apply table styles and remove table formatting, keeping all features of an Excel table. Before we get into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to Get Smart for more interesting IQ tests, personality quizzes and more. Let's get into this video. After you create a table in Microsoft Office Excel, you might not want to keep working with the table functionality that it includes. Or, you might want a table style without the table functionality. To stop working with your data in a table without losing any table style formatting that you applied, you can convert the table to a regular range of data on the worksheet. To successfully complete this procedure, you must have created an Excel table in your worksheet. Click anywhere in the table. This displays the table tools, adding the Design tab. A cell in the table must be selected for the Design tab to be visible. On the Design tab, in the Tools group, click Convert Arrange. Table features are no longer available after you convert the table back to Arrange. For example, the row headers no longer include the sort and filter arrows, and structured references that use table names that were used in formulas turn into regular cell references. There is another quick way to get this job done. You can also right-click on the table and then again click on Table. And here you will find the option Convert Arrange. Immediately after you create a table, you can also click Undo on the Quick Access toolbar to convert that table back to Arrange. So, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.